What's up, 360 booth operators? Today I'm going to be showing off my wagon. It's my heavy duty wagon right here. I went ahead and I wrapped it all up just so you guys can see how compact it is. David, why don't you hit us with a 360 view, bruh? All right, that's what I do best. Hit him with that slow-mo, bro. Boomerang. Just kidding. So let's go ahead and jump into some of the specifics of this dope ass wagon I bought myself about close to a week ago. It already went on its very first event. I loved it. I have some footage I'm going to show you guys on how clutch this thing came into play. So let's go ahead and just put this right here. Pull this out just like this, right? This is going to be the heavy duty platform, the surface you're going to be using in the inside. Now, pull out this wagon. All you really have to do is just do this, just like that. And it comes out, right? Now I'm going to set up the base that goes right in here. All right, cool. So that's it. That took me what, 10 seconds? All right. Now, as far as the dimensions from here to here, I don't know, but I do have a measuring tape. The exact specs, but just to kind of give you guys an idea, it is about 15 inches deep. All right. Now, as far as length, it's about 36, right? And then from corner to corner, we're looking at about 40. So let's go ahead and grab my 100 centimeter, also known as 40-inch 360 booth. As you guys can see today, I am using a black magnet top because this event's going to be outdoors. I like using the white magnet top when it's going to be indoors, but this one right here, we're rocking it outdoors. Like what, 16 events later? So let me go ahead and pick this thing up. I don't want you guys to see my face struggling to pick it up. That's embarrassing. I'm just kidding. I'm just put this right here so you guys can see how I set it up on the cart that I just got here. All right, let me go grab the 360 booth, guys. Now, as I'm walking over here, I'm gonna set this thing right in the front and give you guys a tip. That way, if you guys are a little shorter, you guys don't hurt your back. So one thing I do is I try to grab this from the lowest possible. That way when I lift it up, I have clearance over the wagon. Now I wonder, man, I really need a cameraman just so you guys can get both my angles, but check this out. So I'm gonna go down low. Put this on the side right here. Where you going, baby? You guys can see, oh yeah, there you go, you guys can see. So I'm gonna squat down low, and I'm gonna grab the booth from as low as possible, and then lift straight up with my legs, like this, okay? And I'm putting it in here like this, and it's in. Okay, I'll show you guys something. I have room to put items in here. I mean, I could put a couple of stanchions, and then I have room on this side as well to put more stuff. And then there's these little pouches right here. I really need a cameraman. Hey, if you guys live in San Bernardino County and you are into photography, videography, and you want to be my camera person, I'll hire you. Hit me up, email me. Boom, pouch right here, pouch right here. Let's take this baby for a spin. We're gonna go through this little terrain right here. So that's what happens when you're rolling solo and you're a complete loner and you're into making content for 360 booth operators. You usually roll solo because no one wants to spend time in a hot ass garage making these videos. All right, so grab the handle. And let's see if this thing's gonna tilt over or what's up. So this is me being a poor navigator. It's a good thing I'm a smooth operator, but not the best navigator. So go ahead and swivel it. Now we're coming down like this. Oh, nice. Cool. So you can also put it right down the middle. You can even hold it like this, right? And navigate it just with the actual booth, just like that, and then take it to your event like this. Now, just as a quick tip, guys, one thing I don't recommend is leaving your 360 booth inside of your pull wagon throughout the night. As soon as you get home from your event, go ahead and use the wagon to your advantage, but then take your 360 booth out and put it on the actual ground. You want to lay it nice and flat. One of the reasons why is, remember that durable surface that we have in there? You guys want to minimize the wear and tear on that thing so you guys have a long lasting heavy duty wagon. This is just a tip that I'm sharing with you guys because I like being kind of critical and analytical when it comes to certain things. And that's one thing I noticed, is just kind of checking out the integrity of the framework. I think would be a good idea to not leave your 360 booth inside overnight. That's all I have for you guys right now on this pretty dope ass wagon. Using this wagon saved me not only energy and time, but money now, because as you guys know, I'm rolling to a lot of these events solo now, whether it's 2-3 hours, even 4 hours. I'm rolling solo now, and I am starting to train new individuals here in my garage, because it's all about expansion, and we're at that level now where we have to expand. But because I have so many things going on in the 360 booth industry, including the content creating, now getting in touch with some of the 360 booth members that are reaching out for very specific things in the business. I'm also going to be doing the mentorship with Vanel from Canada, who won a 360 booth. So I'm going to be crazy busy, but I think these videos are going to come in handy, especially when I know it's definitely going to help out your business one way or another. Definitely like this, man. Well, hope you guys find this helpful. Link is in the description below, along with everything else that I'll be sharing in the future. Take care, guys. Good luck on your next event. Peace.